Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a vertical sequence right away, 1080 by 1920 at your chosen frame rate. Import the clips you'll actually use, plus music and any overlays, then create a project bin structure so you don't lose time. Once done, drag your main clip to the timeline to automatically match settings or manually set the sequence to vertical. Make sure to enable snapping and safe margins so critical elements stay in frame while you start laying out your core edit. Now focus on timing. Trim aggressively to hit the hook within the first 3 seconds, and use ripple delete to keep cuts tight. Adjust clip speed with rate stretch when you need to compress action. This preserves audio rhythm if necessary. Apply basic color correction for consistent skin tones, and use auto reframe only if composition varies, otherwise scale and position with keyframes to maintain vertical framing. Add snappy transitions, motion for text, and keep clips under a few seconds for constant momentum. Finish by polishing audio. Normalize, compress lightly, and target around -14 LUFS for platforms. For export, choose H.264, set frame size to 1080 by 1920, and use a high bitrate preset or custom VBR2 pass to preserve sharpness. Name and metadata appropriately, then test the file on your phone. If something goes wrong, like faces cropped or black bars, adjust the clip scale and anchor point or rerun auto reframe. Re-export after fixing composition and audio levels to confirm the short is platform ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.